So here's the transformer that we pulled out of that microwave that we started scrapping with, and I want to get all of this copper out because the copper is worth more on its own. And the trick with these is all of the steel around it is all welded, but this base piece is a separate piece that's sort of the M-shaped piece that fits through the middle. So I'm just going to take the angle grinder. You can see this weld here is along the seam, so I'm just going to cut through that weld with my angle grinder, and then I should be able to bust the bottom off and pull the copper rings out. That's the plan. We'll see if it works. Let's see if that cut through enough. Oh, yep. Yeah, all it took is just that one pop. That whole piece comes down. And now, so we cut through the weld, one little bop with the hammer. Now, I suspect one coil of copper. So I'm gonna flip it twice so I can pound it down and pound down on it to get it loose. There. Yeah, get there. This way. Okay. Just pounding, the piece fell and busted and cut off the here. Oh well. Very cheap. Steel there, that's right. Pick that up. Throw it into my miscellaneous steel bin. Oh, I see what it was. It was this chunk right here. That's cool. Another little piece of steel there. It was one of those that fell in that came out. There. There. Oh, that's a lot of copper. This chunk right here, just in my hand, that feels like by itself a good pound and a half of copper. Well, maybe not a pound. Probably close to a pound of copper. We'll throw it on the scale when we get inside and see what it says. Look at that. So there's the copper. Almost exactly a pound and a half of copper out of that transformer. So that's $3 worth as is. Not too bad.